For you guys with a skill of business, we have 6 minutes left. This is what this is primarily for. If you have a skill of business that you would like to grow with social media, comment your question and I'll get to you. Next question. I'm a recent Army National Guard veteran, and now I want to build around real estate and eventually investing. I'm also in school for my MBA in cybersecurity management. How can I manage this for freedom? I mean, I would just get into real estate education. Like the amount of money I've seen people making in real estate education, the amount of money we've helped people make in real estate education is unbelievable. Surplus funds, BRR, fix and flip, like whatever it is. Like if you are good at that stuff, man, you can make some real money. So like if you can, real estate is one of those fields where not only could you build assets with, like you can build assets, invest in property and start having, like pick a system that you want to learn, go learn it, go get 50 properties under your belt, 100 properties under your belt, and then start teaching it. Unbelievable money. Is there a way to speak to you one-on-one? If you apply to work with us and you get accepted, for sure, yeah. We help people who have a skill or business grow their business on social media. So there's a link in the comments for all you guys who are interested in working with us with my business, meaning you work with me as well, right? We do done for you content where we help you scale and grow your business with social media. There's a link in the comments. Copy and paste that link into your browser, book a call, fill out the application real quick, all right? It's for a brand scan called See If We Can Help You Out. All you guys who are trying to work with us one-on-one, work with me one-on-one, you say you need my help, all this stuff, there's a link in the comments. Copy and paste the link in the comments into your browser. Book a call. I only got 2 minutes left. How can I scale a service-based business where the work depends on my own time and hours are limited? You replace yourself with an employee, okay? So the fastest way to do that would be to replace yourself, bring in somebody, you train them, you pay them very well to do the things that you do in the business. Once you can get somebody to replace your activities, then you can start worrying about marketing and scaling to bring them more